Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. About to kick off the Tinker Day. You know, I got kind of a tool mess on my hands. I mean, tools everywhere. However, I did realize that my Husky bag is coming apart. These things are only lasting about 6 months. This material in here is starting to tear. I don't know if it's from the stress I'm putting it through or what, but look at that. Now, when it tears down at the bottom, and it eats through this material, I start losing tools as I go through the salvage yard. That ain't good. So I bought another bag. It looks like that may be an expense I'm gonna have to absorb every 6 months, replacing these bags so I can run tools into the junkyard. They're about 15 bucks a piece, something like that. Anyway, let me load up my bag and head to the salvage yard, get a few parts for people, and get this stuff shipped out, and then get back here, get to work on lemonade, folks. Lemonade on the prowl. Man, it's running good. The boost is super high. I think the vacuum line going to the wastegate actuator must be broken. Looking at this 850 dash, it actually looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Nothing is busted on it. Oh, it's got a little crack right there. Other than that, it looks like it's in good shape. Of course, the mounts are busted, but it hadn't been destroyed. Those are still in good shape. That's not busted. I might take this to Tony. Turbo Tony. I got these power steering line brackets out of this car. This was missing on the platinum. This was bent and missing on the platinum, and this was... Oh, where's the other one at? Oh, there it is. This was missing on the platinum. So I got to ship that stuff to Oregon. Today, in about 6 hours time, some painters came out here and painted this entire house. They power washed it last night, and they painted this house today. Now that they're gone, I can get back to my business. Round 2 of cleaning this car out and looking for this rear main seal. Let me have at it. A little closer to being cleaned up. The rear main seal was not visible on that side. I'm getting ready to check the floor on this side. And then I only have boxes to check for this rear main seal, but I hadn't found it so far. So I'll keep digging. Well, that's it, folks. It's dark, done for the night. I'm gonna go get some dinner and shut it down until tomorrow. Whoop, whoop. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.